Happy birthday, Shannon! Celebrating Shannon today with a full-on scrap lift. Yep, I'm taking her layout element by element and loving every minute. I'm scrapping her layout just because she's that scrap worthy, and I'm copying it piece by piece with zero shame. Hi everybody, it's Kathy here, and I'm playing along with my favourite hop of the week. It is Scraplift Crafternoon time, and as I said, we are celebrating one of our own, Shannon Blinn, and her birthday. So today I am actually taking her layout and I'm pretty much copying it all bit by bit so that I pretty closely get exactly the same layout she has produced with my own touches. So I am cutting out, or I have cut out, a 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch frame from my one double-sided piece of paper. Now this is really good for those people who are budget conscious and you want to use what you have to the maximum. So I have cut it out a 1/4 inch around, as I said, and I am placing it on a piece of very flimsy old paper that we used to get in pads that I no longer have any purpose for other than as a backing for a new design. So I am going to now turn that double-sided page over, and I'm going to use the inside of it, or the B side, and I am putting onto this a gathered twigs distressed oxide distressed edge, bringing out the textures in the paper by using the natural colour of the print, and that is enhancing it so it breaks from the border that I have created by using that 3/4 inch frame. And by placing it nice and flat in the middle, there you go. It looks like I've used two pieces of paper on the one. Now I've got that gathered twigs again, and I'm going through this stencil here, and I think it's MK that says she doesn't clean her stencil, she just goes over the top and uses the colours as they come, and I think that's a great idea because it does give you some very cool different shades, and that's what I've done here. Now I love this stencil. It's a gravelly sort of stencil, very good for grunge, and it looks like dirt, rock surfaces, bitumen tar. That's what I think it looks like here in Australia. So I'm just using my gathered twigs again, just adding in the detail so that I have that stenciling that Shannon has on hers as well. Now I have a dinosaur photo just as Shannon does, so fancy that. And I have got two dinosaur footprints. Now my footprints, I've gone with the florals, and that's because it picks up the colours in my photos beautifully. And then down there I have die cut the title off my Cricut, and it says "Hear Us Roar," and the roar, when you see it up nice and close, has dinosaurs in the letters. Now I've also used die cuts here for my little triceratops, and they are setting up my cluster points on my layout. I'm adding in foliage just as Shannon has on hers, and I'm going to tuck it in and around and put it onto the layout. The only difference I have is that my third dinosaur is down to the bottom there at the bottom of the photo. I've gone off screen and added all of those elements, adhered them to the layout. I added in some more green behind the photo to make it pop more off that dinosaur print, and I also put a layer underneath that raw title and popped it up as well to give some more dimension. On the leaves that you see that I'm working on here with my white pen to add some highlights, I used the wilderness pine needles. Sorry, I use pine needles to add some color and texture to those die cuts, just to give them a little bit of a lift. And by using the white highlights, I'm really able to add some more detail to those die cuts. I'm adding in some Nuvo drops, just as I always do. You know I love my Nuvo drops, and I'm using the green, which is picking up the colors of the layout all together. And I'm setting it up for my visual triangle. That's right everyone, if you're watching on a device, don't forget to hype me. I have added in 4 more Nouveau drop corners to the title, so it was like a plate instead of just sitting flat on the layout. And now I'm just going to use that vintage photo spritz and add some splatters to the layout to finish it off. And this was really very quick and easy to pull together. It is pretty much a scrap lift for Scraplift, and I'm happy with how it's turned out. And that photo has been sitting on my desk for ever and a day. That's my 2 youngest. The girl, Lily, she's 21 now, and the boy, Owen, he's 23. So you can see how long that's been hanging around to be scrapped. Here is my close-up of this layout. The full playlist is linked below. I can't wait to go and see what the girls are all doing this week. Make sure you leave Shannon some love. Happy birthday, Shannon. Hope you have a great one. And that's a wrap for this week. Stay creative, friends, and I'll see you in the next video.